Good morning, students. Today we are going to start Geography Lesson 4 Agriculture. India is an agriculturally important country. Two-thirds of its population is engaged in agricultural activities. Agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume. Beside food grain, it also produces raw material for various industries. Let's understand the meaning of agriculture. The art and science of cultivating land, growing crops, and rearing livestock, including animal husbandry and forestry, is called agriculture. Students, we know that agriculture is an age-old economic activity in our country. Our cultivation methods have changed because of new technology, physical environment, etc. At present, in different parts of India, the following types of farming are practiced. Number 1, primitive subsistence farming. Number 2, intensive subsistence farming. Number 3, commercial farming. Let's start with the first one, primitive subsistence farming. This type of farming is still practiced in few pockets of India. It is done on small patches of land. Primitive tools like hoe and digging sticks are used. Hoe means a handled gardening tool with a thin metal blade. Family or community labor is used in this type of farming. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil. No modern inputs were used, no fertilizers were used in it. It depends on natural soil. In this farming, production is low and for self-consumption. It is called slash and burn agriculture or shifting cultivation. It is also known as zooming in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, etc. Farmer clear a patch of land and produces cereals and other food crops. When soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. Now, move to the next type of farming, that is intensive subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced in area of high population. It is labor intensive farming. High doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation facilities are used. Irrigation facilities are used along with fertilizers. In this farming, production is high and is for marketing purpose and self-consumptions. There is enormous pressure on agricultural land because due to right of inheritance, the division of land among generation has rendered land holding size uneconomical. Farming continues to take maximum output from the limited land. People don't have any other alternative source of livelihood. Now, let's move to the commercial farming. Plantation is a type of commercial farming. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. The higher doses of modern inputs are used as HYV seeds, fertilizers, etc. It is done with the help of migrant laborers. Important crops: tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, etc. are grown by this method. The whole produce is market oriented. Now let's discuss about cropping pattern. India has three cropping seasons. They are Rabi, Kharif, Jaid. Let's start with the first one, Rabi. Rabi crops. These crops sown in winter, October to December, and harvested in summer, April to July. In states like Assam, West Bengal, and Odisha, three crops of paddy means rice are grown in a year. These are Os, Aman, and Boro respectively. Main crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, etc. Northern India gets rain by the western temperate cyclone. Now, Kharif crops. It is sown with the onset of monsoon in summer and harvested in September to October. Paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, cotton crops are grown. The source of water for irrigation is rainfall. Recently, paddy has also become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. Now, third one is jade crops. Jade crop is grown in short season during summer. The crops grown are cucumber, vegetables, muskmelon, watermelon, etc. So students, this was all about different types of farming and cropping pattern in India. Rest we will do in the next video. Have a nice day. Thank you.